SM.
Long time no vlog. Oh my god, I missed this so much. So I have time today because I am off. I'm off for today, thank god. So I just have a few errands to run. Like I'm gonna have my car's tire changed, and then wheel alignment, and then I'm gonna meet a friend, buy some stuff. I'm so excited. I barely get to do this, go out on my own during my days off, because before Miggy and I used to share a car, but now we finally got our second car. So this is the new car, the one I'm driving right now. And for this week after my off, I have 4 night shifts in a row, so I'm going to include that in this vlog as well. So stay tuned if you want to see what life is like for a Filipino nurse. Let's go for a drive. Anyways, this is going to be a 30-minute drive, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Just falling apart. Naku guys, pumunta ako dito for nothing. My agent said to just come here, everything's gonna be ready, and then I got here and nothing is ready. I'm gonna figure out what I want to do for now. Dito na tayo ngayon sa plaza. Magpapamassage na lang ako. And then I'll have lunch with a friend, which I'll be very, very late to. So let's go.
Ilan po anak niya? Dalawa po?
Dalawa lang. Boy and girl. 48 na 43. Order ka na din.
Ay, sinigang.
Sinigang. Wag isda ah.
Ito yung friends. Gusto ko nga yung salmon eh.
O sige, sabaw lang ah. Bakit ganyan ka sa isda? Hanggang ngayon.
Pati itlog, di yan nakain ng
Eh, si Bilibra eh. Kaya, hindi ka naman nakawan yung...
Mag-break ka ba?
Sige, order niya.
Dinner na yan. Yung lahat ng kubyertos. Lahat ng kubyertos.
Hindi ako pwede maglabas ng pera. Sinusunod na lang. Kaya, yaw, order siya.
Alam mo ba yung salvation army? Maganda yan, parang maraming tao palagi dito. Uy! Kaya mo ubusin to?
Hindi, uwi ako si Miggy.
Tita, tawagan sa labas. Sa bahay, sa loob. Hindi lang sa siya during the day. Pero yung ano nila maganda. Hey, kasi mo na.
Hindi na po.
Matagal na. Tanda na. Senior citizen. Sa church. Kasama kami sa choir. Russia. Number 1 supplier nila na
Guys, so it's the next day for me. So tonight is my night shift, so I have the whole day para mag meal prep, to do my meal prep, go for grocery first, of course, and then magpapa-dentist ako. Okay, nag-quick shower lang ako, and now we're going grocery shopping. Sunscreen lang ako kasi it's super hot. which is weird because it was so cold when I woke up. But now, it's like so hot. Ito yung gamit ko, Odette Serum Lotion. Meron siyang SPF 50 PA+++, Vitamin E, Niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, tranexamic acid, hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and ceramides. Ayan siya. Very effective siya, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo kung bakit siya effective. May sunog ako dito, guys. So, kasi, nung nag-beach kami, ito yung part na hindi ko abot, hindi ko nalagyan. So, makikita niyo yung tan line. Ito yung part na hindi ko abot, so hindi ko siya nalagyan ng sunscreen. Pero the rest of my body, as you can see, is okay. So, dito rin sa kabilang side. Nahirapan ako, pero basically, ganun siya. Pero yung other body parts ko, diba, na nalagyan ng sunscreen, is okay siya. So, ganun siya ka-effective. It's very cheap. I think it's only parang 158. It's very cheap. Yung araw. Then mag lip serum din ako na may SPF din. Protect my lips. Nag-skincare na pala ako, guys. Done na. Ito na lang yung additional. Pigmented to, kaya onti lang talaga. Kasi yung pigment niya is hindi agad lumalabas. Kailangan mo pa i-spread bago lumabas. So, be very careful when adding. Odette Skincare din ito, guys. 128 pesos lang. Long-lasting yung tint niya. Hanggang pag-uwi ko yan, hanggang kumain ako, mapapansin nyo nandiyan pa din yan. Ito na ating mga Lola Eco Bag. Ready na siya. Ito lang naman yung bibili ko. I promised myself hindi ako lalagpas ng $70 today. Okay? It's a challenge. Challenge, $70 grocery. Kasi I have my meal plan na. So, may list na ako ng kung ano lang yung need ko. The rest, meron na sa bahay. So, challenge accepted. Si Panda yung gamit ko today. So, we have two cars. Panda and Shadow. Panda is my OG car, my first car when I got here. And then, naging bread and butter namin ni Mickey when he followed me here. And then, recently, we got our second car, which is Shadow. Shadow is our Mitsubishi Outlander. We both own the car. Wala kaming ay akin to, akin yan. Cause our driveway is one lane lang. So whoever leaves first and kung anong car yung nasa harap, yun lang yung gagamitin. Very adulting, very satisfying yung feeling lang. Super nakaka-proud when we got our second car, not just in terms of financial aspect. Because before, when we shared a car, I had, Mickey was mostly using the car. He was dropping me off and picking me up, which made me very happy. I felt like a princess. Pero nawala yung independence ko. Because before he came here, I did everything by myself. And then, nung dumating siya, and then we had to share a car. Since yung work ko is 10 minutes away lang, ako yung hindi masyadong nakakagamit ng car. And then when I wanted to do something like mag-grocery, pag wala siya, pumunta dito, pumunta dyan, magpa-laser, magpa-facial, magpa-check up, hindi ko nagagawa kasi nasa kanya yung car sa work. So now that we have two cars, bumalik yung independence ko na even wala siya sa house, nakakaalis ako. And my satisfaction yung independence na yun. I don't know if it makes sense. Yes, pwede mo naman sabihin, ba't di ka mag-commute? Parang malayo yung bahay namin sa train station, guys. Kasi nasa cheap rental lang kami. Yes, pwede pa rin naman if gugustuhin. But tinamad ako, naging dependent ako kay Mickey. Which he was very much willing to do. But still, yung independence now na ako na lang. Nakakatuwa pala. We just got the car. Wala pang 2 weeks ago. Parang every single day umaalis ako. I meet up with friends. Ito, nakakapag-grocery ako. And then, tomorrow may check-up ako by myself. I can go to work na rin by myself. Dito na tayo. I don't know why, pero it's a weekday. Pero laging punuan yung parking. Like, what are these people doing? Lalim. Okay, maingay kay Miggy. Lagot tayo. Okay, we're here, guys! Hindi ko alam paano ako mag-video ng dala to kasi medyo shy type ako, but let's see. Okay, quick haul tayo. Poho! It smells so bad. You're so stinky. Show them. You're stinky. Ayaw niya. Okay, go away. Okay, so a quick haul. I have my kale right here for the chicken and kale salad. English muffin, wholemeal English muffin. Yung cat's liver, giblets, and hearts. Golden sweet potatoes for the salad as well. Chicken breast. 2 chicken breast, free-range chicken breast, skinless, no skin. Goat's cheese for the salad as well. For my desserts, grape and strawberry jelly. It's only 7 calories per serving and less than a gram of sugar. Barbecue sauce. Minced garlic and garlic powder. Half a cauliflower. I wanted the whole one, pero out of stock yung whole, and hindi makatarungan yung price if I get 2 halves. Coconut water. This is the only coconut water I like. It's either yung fresh from the buko talaga or this one lang. That's it. And then Lipton iced tea just to splurge. And grapes. By peeling my potatoes. Usually, hindi ko pinipeel to. Kinakain ko yung Korean style. Lalagay ko siya sa oven for an hour. And then, makakain ko siya parang Korean style. Yung na-peel off mo na lang by hand yung balat niya. But this is for salad. So, I'm gonna peel it. Sana hindi umulan. Yung mga sinampay ko na sa labas. So, yun nga dati. I was 80 kilograms before COVID. Before coming here sa Australia. And then, during COVID, I lost a lot of weight. Pero, the way I lost weight before was intermittent fasting with calorie deficit. But I never did meal plans. I never prepared my plans or thought about what I was going to eat. It was just easier back then kasi I had a fixed schedule sa work. I was working 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And then yung break ko would be from like 3 to 4 or 4 to 5. So, ang dali kasi may schedule talaga akong kumain. Wala akong temptation. Pag uwi ko, pagod na ako, matutulog na lang ako. And then, pag gising ko, pasok ako agad sa work. So, parang nangyari, calorie deficit na OMAD na 1 meal a day with intermittent fasting pa. So, it was so easy. In like 6 months, I lost more than 10 kilos. Or parang 12 to 15 yung na-lose ko. Do the math na lang. Nasa-stress ako. Ngayon, na rotating roster ako sa work, I could be AM shift today, night shift tomorrow, and then PM na naman, and then do the same shit again. Nahihirapan ako, guys, kasi parang the only way for me to cope sa stress, because I'm a nurse, you know, diba? And sa palliative care ako, everyday my deaths, my difficult patients. So parang yung way ko lang to cope up with the work stress is to eat. Kada stressful shift, I know it's reason, nagme-make sounds like gumagawa lang akong reason. Pero, pag you had a bad shift, yung tipong naiiyak ka talaga, you will crave junk food. So, parang kakain lang ako, and then I'll feel better. No regrets, kasi kung sa time na yun yung way ko para gumaan yung pakiramdam ko, pakin yun, diba? Pero like, it's not healthy na, guys. And lalo pa, uuwi akong Pinas, guys. Alam nyo naman ang mga tao sa Pinas. Hoy, tumataba ka. Ang taba-taba mo na. Nangyari sa'yo. Blah, blah, blah. So, yun. Yun din yung isang motivation ko. Kasi uuwi ako ng March. So, may 2 months ako para magpapayat. Pepper. Guys, this is extra virgin olive oil. Garlic powder. Onion. Salt. Kamayin nyo guys kung gusto nyo, pero grabe yung eczema ko, I cannot. And then, cauliflower. I love roasted cauliflower. Very sad ako kanina. Gusto ko sana talagang 1 whole para marami. Cauliflower in. Sayang talaga, ang onti lang niya. Lagay na natin yung baked potatoes. I mean sweet potato. And then cauliflower. By the way guys, share ko lang. I used to be a chef. Chef ako for 10 years. Yeah, chef ako for 10 years before I became a nurse. Share ko lang, walang nagtanong. This is it. Ay, may naiwang isa. Ay, wala nang laman. And then mix. Then, it's time for the dressing. Malapit na ako malobat, kaya bilisan natin. I have tahini paste. 10 of mustard. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then, garlic, hot water para mix natin yung tahini. Na yung salad. It has the baked kale. Ginawa ko lang crispy onti yung kale. And then the sweet potato, cauliflower, and goat's cheese. Although yung chicken is hindi pa tapos, still baking. Bye na! Oh my God, parang 2 hours to inabot. Parang next time we're gonna make a bigger batch. So parang too much work siya for 5 days. So basically, ayun siya guys. And then yung extra sweet potato and chicken breast. On ka pa pala.
Kaya, makisama ka na rin dito sa amin. Para tatlo tayong karpintero dito.
Tol, kung dyan lang ako.
Pwede ko, 50 an hour ka ako.
Seryoso? As dahil sa...
Pero, kaya na mo bawiin agad eh.
Hindi, syempre. Bawi pa rin yung mga nakaraang linggo.
Bawi pa din, bawi. Pero syempre, ang still.
Kadalasan nakikita ko puti at kalebo. Indian, mga ganun. Collision or construction, matik kukunin nila kaagad yan. Ganun kaganda rito si Matt. Ay puta nga, ibig sabihin nun, ang bagal ng takbo mo. Pero i-aralan mo yun. Oo, kasi di mo sila maintindihan eh.
Mga tropa.
Nakakarinig
Native yan. Nauto ko siya eh. Mahilig mag-club yun eh.
Matik yan. Aray ko, gusto ko.
Sige, babe. Ingat. Bye-bye. Love you.
Love you. Pakainin mo si Chavi, ha?
Sintahan na ako.
Senda mo ko picture na papakainin mo si Chavi, ha?
Love you. Ingat.
Love you. Wish me luck. See you in the morning. Bye. Good morning. Late ka na. Late ka na?
Camera pala.
Wala kaya. Hindi ba sa labas yan nakaharap?
Gago, sa loob na kaharap ko.
Meron ka na yung mga yellow, dinala mo?
Hindi, sa ano ako ngayon. Sa taas ako mag-trabaho ngayon.
So, malamig?
Malamig.
Patingin ng bunot. Patingin ng bunot. Tingin naman naman. Pogi. Alis na si Pogi. Baba.
Hindi ko dala yung susi eh.
Namumula mukha mo.
Naglagay ako sunblock eh. Nilagay ko na lahat.
Namula ka sa sunblock?
Siguro sa pag-rub ko.
Huwag mo dinan. Soft
Ang bango
lang.
niya. No?
Binaon mo rin?
Ano nakalimutan ko?
Paano?
Wala ko nakalimutan.
Bye-bye, love you.
Okay, I'm ready for bed. See you later.
Ngayon, naging Bob the Builder naman ako ngayong araw, babe. Tangina.
Tupi ba yung iyo?
Oo.
Natatawa ako. Sabi ko, katahin mo yan pag uwi, ah.
Lagyan mo na sa... Lagyan mo na, kinakain ko lang yan dati. Dati na 7 months kami nga ng ilaw. Promise, baby, hindi ako nagsis...
Sarap! Ang saya! Ang sarap!
Sa aircon ka?
Ay, ano yung gawa mo?
Ay! Nanguli ako. Ano ba ako? Tinataktan kita.
Chicken parmy balls. 1, 2, 3. Konti lang yung laman. Hindi worth it. Okay, I think I'm ready. Actually, guys, I'm so excited for tomorrow because I'm going to be babysitting my inaanak Johanna, and you'll see her tomorrow. I'll be babysitting her here in the house. Because the parentals are working. So I do it from time to time. And I'm so excited. Parang sino?
Kumain na naman siya. Nene. Oh.
Asim. What? You. What's that? See ya. Other hand. What's his name? Not Pikachu. Chewy. Hi, Chewy. Tail. Chewy's tail. Very good. What about the red buckle? Put it back too. What? What color? Yum, 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 yum. Yay! Uh-oh.
Pikachu! Pikachu!
What's that?
Say bye-bye!
Anong babay?
Say bye-bye!
Miss Zena! Ah, wala na. Bye-bye!
Hindi ka na ba kakain?
Kakain pa. Gusto ko lang na pagpatanggal umay. Naumay ako eh.
Sa ilalim.
Ah, inuna.
Ito nga.
Good morning. Let me say good morning. Good morning, guys. We're off to the Thai Center again. Naging Peppa Pig.
Naging distraya.
We're off to the Thai Center again to have the wheels change and have an alignment. Nakakaadar. So, mag-lip serum na tayo para maganda tayo. Ano? Ang alok? Wow, ang alok.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Hada!
Stock lang din eh, pinuntahan natin. Gusto mo ba doon? O...
Hindi ka pa tapos.
Wala pa lang. Yung size 11.
Online na nga.
Wala nga rin. Nag-check nga ako. Bonnie Rig pa yung isa.
Di pick up mo na lang.
Bonnie Rig.
Oh,
20 kilometers away yun to.
babe. Ang dami pa nating mas malayong dinadayo, babe. Kung talagang gusto mo, no problem. Ano arte?
Saan yung mag-grocery?
Mas malayo ata yun. Okay yung Bonnie Rig. Yay! Nabili ko na! Ah! Ah! Nabili ko na! Dito kami sa Bunnings. Dito kami sa Bunnings. Putol. Pero andito kami sa Bunnings. Hindi siya mapakali. May tumutunog sa sasakyan.